Welcome back to the Kansas City Market Pulse Municipal Update. This is Logan Freeman with Midwest CRE Advisors, and today we're breaking down the February 2026 Planning Commission meetings for the City of Lee's Summit. There were two meetings this month, February 12th and February 26th, and several approvals that directly impact land, commercial development, and long-term growth corridors in eastern Jackson County. Let's get into it. At the February 12th meeting, the first notable item was a special use permit renewal for a miniature golf facility located at 3 Southeast Industrial Drive. That renewal was approved for 10 years. When special use permits renew cleanly and long-term, it protects operational value. These approvals stabilize income-producing properties that depend on specific entitlements, and they remove uncertainty for ownership. There was also discussion tied to the Pole Road expansion and related infrastructure considerations, including right-of-way and traffic improvements. Whenever a municipality is updating roadway alignments, traffic controls, or corridor infrastructure, pay attention. Infrastructure typically moves before development intensity. Roads lead rooftops. Access drives value. Now moving to the February 26th meeting, which included several larger items. First, PL 2026-039, a comprehensive plan amendment updating the Thoroughfare Master Plan. This modifies alignment maps, right-of-way considerations, and long-term roadway planning. Notably, this plan had not been updated since 1996. The amendment was approved. When a city updates its transportation framework after nearly 3 decades, that is significant. Developers rely on these maps to underwrite frontage, access, traffic patterns, and long-term feasibility. Transportation planning shapes where commercial nodes emerge and where density concentrates. This is foundational growth planning. Next, PL 2024-281, a rezoning from RP4 to PO with a preliminary development plan. This involves the Mola Acres office expansion near East 3rd Street. The owner of 410 East 3rd Street intends to expand to 414 East 3rd Street, constructing a 2,500 square foot professional office building designed to match the existing complex. This was approved. This represents incremental, infill-based office growth. In today's office market, that type of expansion, owner-driven, measured, and tied to existing demand, is what is getting done. Not speculative high-rise development, but strategic additions to established nodes. Next, PL 2025-195, a rezoning from agricultural to CP2 on approximately 9 acres. The proposal introduces 5 commercial lots and is positioned as the future of Douglas Commons. Despite site complexity and multiple development considerations, this application was approved. Agricultural to planned commercial transitions are early-stage development signals. Once land converts into CP2, it moves into the commercial pipeline. These approvals often precede future retail, service uses, and supporting residential growth. This corridor will be important to watch. Finally, PL 2025-079, the Legacy Ridge Master Plan Community. This is a large rezoning request, converting agricultural land into a mix of residential and commercial plan districts. The application had previously been remanded back to the Planning Commission earlier in February. During the February 26th meeting, there was a motion to amend, adjusting a portion from RP4 to RP3. That density shift matters. When residential intensity is modified, it often reflects infrastructure considerations, absorption pacing, or broader political appetite. Large master plan communities like Legacy Ridge shape tax base, school enrollment, and long-term retail demand. This is a project that will continue to influence growth patterns in Lee's Summit. Stepping back, February in Lee's Summit showed a comprehensive transportation update, commercial land entering the entitlement pipeline, office infill expansion, and a large-scale master plan community adjusting density. That is structured growth, intentional planning, controlled expansion for investors, developers, and landowners operating in eastern Jackson County. Lee's Summit continues to demonstrate disciplined, forward-looking municipal planning. This is Logan Freeman with Midwest CRE Advisors. If you want municipal updates that keep you ahead of the development pipeline and not a quarter behind on data, make sure you're following the Kansas City Market Pulse. We'll see you in the next breakdown.